Hello everyone and welcome to Willadine's Kitchen. We're looking at my ice cream machine maker here, or my ice cream making machine. We're going to use this machine to make some ice cream. This is actually a 2-day process. So for the first day, or what we're going to do first, is we're going to make our cream, or what they call our cream glaze. The cream glaze is going to be used to make the ice cream. So let me show you what ingredients we have here for the cream. Okay, so for our cream or our custard, it's going to be a real easy recipe. First, we start out with 2 cups of milk. What I have here is 1.5 cups of whole milk, regular whole milk, and then 1/2 cup of half and half cream in this measuring jar right here. So we got the 2 cups of cream. We have 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk in this bowl over here. We're going to mix that up very well. We have a pinch of salt, and we have about a cup of granulated sugar. And then we have some vanilla extract. So you can use clear vanilla. I don't really like it as much because it's artificial vanilla. This is a vanilla extract here. It has a really good flavor to it, but it does give a little bit of a brownish, well, it's brown in color. It doesn't really tint the milk as much, or the cream, but it's not clear. So this is what we use. We're going to mix this all up, get it in the saucepan, make a custard. Then we got to let it cool overnight before we get ready to make our ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay, saucepan is on the burner. What we're going to do is we're going to pour this liquid right into the pan. Just like that. We're going to take the sugar, pour the sugar in here as well. So our cream is at room temperature. It's going to start to heat up. It's on the burner now. What we're going to do is we're going to add the eggs to it. I add my eggs now. I just mix it in there really well, and I cook it slowly so we don't get scrambled eggs. We get a nice creamy custard. So here's our pinch of salt. Goes in. Now I'm just going to whisk in the egg mixture. All right, so this is going to cook slow. It's going to thicken up and turn into a custard, and then we're going to chill it overnight. Okay, after 4 minutes, our custard is starting to thicken up just a bit here. I can feel the heat coming off the pot now, so it's getting warmer. We just keep whisking so our eggs don't separate, and we'll have a nice custard here. Okay, we're getting to the point where it's thickening up. Now, it usually gets really thick really fast once it gets to that temperature. This is what it looks like on our spoon now. So it's starting to coat the spoon just a bit. We're going to keep whisking. Okay, we got a nice custard here. It's starting to bubble just a little bit. Yeah, that's coating our spoon just fine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to let it cool overnight. Okay, we'll complete this ice cream tomorrow. We're going to put this cream custard in the refrigerator and let it chill overnight, and then we'll put this all in the machine tomorrow. All right, everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our vanilla ice cream making. So what we have here is we have our creme anglaise that we made yesterday. It's been in the refrigerator overnight. So I'm just going to put that in this bowl. And we have 1.5 cups of half and half cream here. 1.5 cups. We're going to pour that right in there. And there's a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla in that cream. We're going to just whisk all this up together here. So this is what our base looks like, vanilla ice cream base. And we have our machine here. So how this machine works is, let's see if I can get a better view for you. Okay, so this is how a machine works. We have this frozen drum here, which has been in the freezer overnight. It has a special liquid inside that keeps it nice and frozen. So this is very cold. And then we have the machine. We put this here inside, and this is the churner. And what happens is the churner stays still, but the bowl rolls around. There's a motor down there to turn the bowl. So that's how it works. So then you have an ice cream settings here. You have gelato, you have sherbet, and then you have ice cream. Ice cream, gelato, sherbet. We're going to set it for ice cream. So what we do is we take our mixture, pour it right inside the drum. Just like that. Once we have our mixture in, then we take the cover, place the cover right here on the top, and we're going to set it for ice cream, and then we're going to press start. So now it's churning, the drum is moving, the ice cream is churning, and we'll keep an eye on it. The timer says 25 minutes. All right, so this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. You can see it's starting to thicken up a little. So we're going to keep churning. Okay, everyone, this is after 15 minutes. You can see the ice cream firming up here. It's getting nice and frozen. This is actually what I would consider probably some good soft serve right now. We're going to let the timer finish going. We got another 10 minutes to go. All right, this is after 21 minutes. We got a nice frozen cream here. I can just go in there and scoop it right out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put it in our container and put it in the freezer. Okay, everyone, this is 21 minutes in. We've got a nice frozen cream here. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this off, and then we're going to take our ice cream and we're going to put it in a container. As you can see here, we can just kind of scoop that right out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a container, put it in the freezer, and let it freeze for a couple of hours.
Yeah.
All right, so here's our ice cream. It's been in the freezer for a couple of hours. You know how you think you have something at home, but you don't have it? I could have sworn I had a larger ice cream scoop, but this is the one I have. So we're going to use this one here. We're going to put a couple of scoops in this bowl here. It froze up pretty good. just plain vanilla, so I'm just gonna
No.
decorate it here with a little bit of mint leaf and a couple of chopped walnuts there. Okay, everyone, this is our vanilla ice cream with, we garnished it with a little bit of mint leaves and some chopped walnuts. I'm going to move this to the side here. We're going to give this a taste. Oh, it tastes great. It's nice and it's creamy and it's cold and it's like 95 degrees outside right now. So this is a good treat. This tastes so much better than the ice cream out of the supermarket. I love the fresh creaminess of it. So if you have an ice cream maker at home, please try this vanilla ice cream recipe. I think you would love it and your family would love it. And we know the kids would love it on a hot summer day. Vanilla ice cream. Thank you for viewing and have a good day.